Taxes. The word alone can send shivers down the spines of many. It's a topic that often brings about stress and confusion, but what exactly are they? Simply put, taxes are mandatory contributions levied by governments on individuals and businesses. They are a fundamental part of our economic system. Think of them as membership fees for living in a civilized society and benefiting from public services. These services include everything from public parks to transportation systems. Just like we pay for groceries or rent, we pay taxes to fund essential services like roads, schools, healthcare, and national defense. These services are crucial for our daily lives. Without taxes, these services would be impossible to maintain, and our quality of life would suffer. Imagine a world without well-maintained roads or accessible healthcare. While nobody enjoys paying taxes, it's important to remember that they play a crucial role in the functioning of our society. They ensure that we have the infrastructure and services we need. By understanding the basics of taxes, we can approach them with less anxiety and make informed decisions about our finances. Knowledge is power when it comes to managing our money. Imagine a world without paved roads, public schools, or a functioning police force. That's the reality we'd face without taxes. Taxes are the lifeblood of our government, funding vital services that we often take for granted. From ensuring clean drinking water to supporting scientific research, taxes touch nearly every aspect of our lives. They provide a safety net for the most vulnerable members of society, fund education and job training programs, and help protect our environment. Paying taxes is not just a legal obligation, it's a civic duty. It's our contribution to building a stronger, healthier, and more prosperous society for ourselves and future generations. Now that we understand the why behind taxes, let's explore a way to potentially lower our tax bills. Deductions. Tax deductions are legal provisions that allow taxpayers to reduce their taxable income by claiming certain expenses. Think of deductions as rewards for spending money on specific things that the government deems beneficial. For example, if you donate to a registered charity, you can deduct a portion of that donation from your taxable income, reducing your overall tax liability. By taking advantage of eligible deductions, you can keep more of your hard-earned money while still fulfilling your tax obligations. There are numerous tax deductions available, each with its own set of eligibility criteria, designed to help reduce your taxable income and save you money. Some of the most common deductions that individuals can claim include those related to homeownership, healthcare, education, and charitable donations. Homeownership. If you own a home, you may be eligible to deduct mortgage interest, property taxes, and insurance premiums, which can significantly lower your tax bill. Healthcare expenses. Medical expenses that exceed a certain percentage of your adjusted gross income may be deductible, including costs for treatments, prescriptions, and even some travel expenses for medical care. Education expenses. Deductions for student loan interest and tuition fees can help offset the cost of education, making higher learning more affordable. Charitable donations. Contributions to qualified charitable organizations are typically deductible up to a certain limit, encouraging generosity and community support. It's important to note that tax laws and regulations can change frequently, so it's always advisable to consult with a qualified tax professional to determine your eligibility for specific deductions and to stay updated on any new tax benefits. Section 5. Filing your taxes, a step-by-step guide. Tax season can be a stressful time, but understanding the basic steps involved in filing your taxes can make the process less daunting. First, gather your information. This is the foundation of a smooth tax filing experience. Collect all necessary documents, including your Social Security number, income statements like W-2S or 1099-S, and any relevant expense records for deductions. These documents are essential for accurate reporting. Next, choose a filing method. This decision can impact how quickly your return is processed. You can file your taxes electronically, by mail, or through a tax professional. Each method has its own set of advantages. Electronic filing is generally the fastest and most secure method. It also reduces the risk of errors. Then select the correct forms. Using the right forms is crucial for accurate filing. The IRS provides various tax forms depending on your individual circumstances. Make sure to choose the one that fits your situation. The most common form for individual taxpayers is Form 1040. After that, report your income. This step is critical for determining your tax liability. Accurately report all sources of income, including wages, salaries, investment income, and any other taxable income. Next, claim your deductions. Deductions can significantly reduce your taxable income. Carefully review eligible deductions and ensure you have the necessary documentation to support your claims. This can save you money. Finally, file by the deadline. Missing the deadline can result in penalties. Taxes are typically due on April 15th each year, unless this date falls on a weekend or holiday. In such cases, the deadline is usually extended to the next business day. Remember, filing your taxes accurately and on time is crucial to avoid penalties and potential legal issues. Proper preparation can make the process much smoother. Section 6. Making sense of tax-efficient investing. Investing is an essential part of building long-term wealth, but did you know that you can invest in a tax-efficient manner? Tax-efficient investing involves strategically choosing investments and accounts that minimize your tax liability. One popular tax-efficient investment strategy is to utilize retirement accounts like 401(k)s and IRAs. These accounts offer tax benefits, such as tax-deductible contributions or tax-free withdrawals in retirement. By understanding the tax implications of different investment options, you can optimize your investment portfolio for both growth and tax savings. Section 7. The importance of professional advice. Navigating the complexities of the tax system can be challenging, especially for those unfamiliar with tax laws and regulations. Seeking professional advice from a qualified tax advisor, such as a certified public accountant or an enrolled agent, can provide invaluable guidance and peace of mind. Tax professionals can help you understand your tax obligations, identify potential deductions, and ensure you're taking advantage of all available tax benefits. They can also represent you before the IRS in case of an audit or any tax-related issues. While hiring a tax professional may involve a cost, their expertise can often save you more money in the long run by maximizing your deductions and minimizing your tax liability. Section 8. Tax time doesn't have to be taxing. Taxes are an inevitable part of life, but they don't have to be overwhelming. By understanding the basics, planning ahead, and seeking professional guidance when needed, you can approach tax season with confidence. Remember to stay organized, keep track of deadlines, and don't be afraid to ask questions if you're unsure about anything. With a little effort and knowledge, you can navigate the world of taxes effectively and keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. Section 9. Your financial well-being starts with understanding taxes. Understanding taxes is not just about fulfilling legal obligations. It's an integral part of achieving financial well-being. By comprehending how taxes work, you can make informed decisions about saving, investing, and planning for the future. When you have a firm grasp of your tax liability, you can set realistic financial goals, budget effectively, and make strategic choices that align with your overall financial plan. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding taxes empowers you to take control of your finances and build a more secure financial future.